Welcome to another episode of Man Pedal Garage. I'm your magician, Jason, and as promised on this episode, I have new content where I go through SolidWorks and design fog light brackets for the 9901 Cobra front bumper. They will fit the Jeep style fog lights where it's just 4 brackets or 4 4 mounting locations. Anyways, this is how I went about it. Enjoy. I'm doing a couple things. I bought these. They are Jeep fog lights. I thought they looked pretty good. When you put these on here, so when you put them in on this dangle thing, so they sit this way in the car. Then that's supposed to sit right there. Only this one lines up. That means the rest of these are completely off. I came up with a plan, built a little thing in SolidWorks to step down in here so you can screw this into it. I'll give you 2 points of contact. I'm going to stop you right there. This thing failed harder than an affair at a Coldplay concert. I forgot some crucial things like, how things actually fit together. So let's skip my embarrassment and jump to the version that doesn't self-destruct. I'm going to jack up the car and get the fog lights out. So yeah. My little genius plan did not work so well. So what I wanted to do was just bolt this here where that'll match up. Basically do that. It's not going to work because this is a mounting point for the housing to go to the bumper. This is trash. Okay, on to the nerdy stuff, but I'm gonna add a British accent to make it fun. First step, we'll draw a big old circle for the base, then some posh ghost circles. Next, I'll slap on some tags, trim away the excess like I'm pruning a shrubbery. Real delicate work this is. Then we make it fully constrained, no wobbly bits. Time for some grooves, for a bit of added rigidity, cause floppy brackets are for amateurs. Cut a hole for the fog light, obviously. And finally, I make a proper tab for the adjustment screw to live in, raised up like a little penthouse suite, overlooking the rest of the bracket. Bit of height, bit of status, very exclusive. Then I extrude the part, just enough thickness to feel confident, but not cocky. Then I throw in a cheeky little slot for some extra adjustment, because we all like a bit of wiggle room, don't we? Finally, cleaner, a bit of polish, and off it goes to the printer. Like a carrier pigeon with somewhere to be. This is my second design, which had a little bit of a malfunction, but I don't think that'll be that big of a deal. Right, let's, ooh. Right, let's loosen this. Okay. So those bolted right up. And those bolt right up, they matched. Okay. So that part's good. It looks like it might be off just a tiny bit. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can make this one work, and then just edit the file later. Alright, so next test. That is off. Dang. But this is okay. This is pretty darn close, man. Alright. Okay, well, back to the drawing board then. Right. Back in the original sketch now. Tweaking the placement of them screws. Turns out the main bit needed to come up just a smidge, so I raised it up like it's trying to get a better view of the quint. Naturally, once I moved that, everything else went pear-shaped. So I had to go through each sketch, and the ridges, I didn't bother fixing them. Just deleted a lot and redrew them from scratch. Then I made some tasteful renovations to the adjustment screw's little penthouse suite. Top shelf bracket real estate now. Added some mounting locations for a more proper fit. Also, reshaped the slot so the screw can't just fall out. And to top it off, rounded the edges. Makes the whole thing look like it was designed on purpose. Round 2. That off. This is my second design, I guess. Or really my third. What the hell? Oh yeah, that's right. Woo! Okay. We're fine. We're fine. Oh, nailed it! Awesome. Beautiful. Little flex to it. That's okay. That's pretty solid, though. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. First, I guess first things first. Does that line up? That is really hard to tell. Okay. Now, I'm just doing this to line things up. Damn it. That lines up. Alright. Round 2. This is my third design. Oh, get that. Clean that up just a hair. Oh. Alright. That's cleaned up. And then, I guess I need to take this off real quick. Because I want this spring. There we go. New bolt. So I'm just getting this started. Go. Just want this to be as level as possible. I go to put it in. So I'm just using these nails as kind of alignment pins, which all work beautifully. So, all three pressed in place. Hey, it's looking pretty good. Let's tighten just a hair more. All three back tight. Oh yeah. Boom, baby. Alright. Now I'm going to go install this beauty. If not, it's pretty close enough. Got one. And last one. And now, click them together. Now we click them together. There we go. Let's see. Yes. This makes me so happy. Much brighter. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching me design this fog light bracket for my 9901 Cobra front bumper. I really enjoyed designing this and making this and test fitting it. So if you'd like to see me do more of that, please drop a comment letting me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like, if you liked the British accent or not. But let me know. I'm open to suggestions. The next episode will be building the rear end in this and taking it apart and building it. But then I'd like to do another episode on this. I've been running the one that I designed and printed in this video for several months now, and it works really well. I've not had any issues with it. It's still in one piece, even though it's PLA and it gets driven. So that's wonderful news, but I need to move this over just a very little bit. Just needs to move to maybe right there. And then I'd like to add a pattern on top of it, just making it that much nicer, and then maybe my logo or something. But yeah, thanks for watching. And like I said, if you enjoyed this episode, think about subscribing, like and comment, and we'll see you next time.